proud. Basketball kings with the hypest crowd. From the court to the beachside flow. Side to my party, never moving slow. Commissioner E. Crowd go wild. Tell 'em I got that champion style. Mark the spark, hustle hard every game. Neo speed like a bullet train. And on screen bringing power and soul. Who got dancing out of control? Boom, boom, the bass go down. Everybody shaking the whole damn town. Wave your hands and the speakers fly. Wait for the band, roll party to the sky. Move your body non-stop. Take a beat, make your heart beat.
Our best player, Mr. Bert Boy, Nepomuceno.
Happy birthday!
Congrats.
Congratulations! Advance to the finals na kayo. So anong masasabi niyo sa laro ngayon?
Medyo nahirapan kasi nagano pa bigit pa nung ulit. Pasok pa kalaban. Pero nakaya na.
So pakilala ka muna ulit. Jiko Shoka Istikulasay.
O plus iyo gusto ko nito. Pang team pa tayo.
Team solid Padayon. So sobrang init ngayon. Anong feeling? Nakabalik sa laro?
Kami bago. Galing sa
Injury, okay.
Pero okay lang. Hindi okay na. Saka okay na rin nakapapawis na.
So kaya pa ba sa next round championship?
Kaya din. Championship.
Okay, so baka may gusto kang shout out.
Shoutout sa pamilya ko sa Bacolod tsaka sa Manila sa Bulacan.
Okay, dalawa pa lang pamilya mo? Meron sa Bacolod?
Pamilya ko sa
Okay, akala ko ibang pamilya. Joke lang. Okay. Okay, salamat. Congratulations.